back, my beauties. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply press-on nails. So the first thing you want to do is start off by clipping all your nails. So you want to make sure they're short enough. Now we're going to go in with the cuticle pusher and start pushing our cuticles to prepare for the press-on nails. This is really important step also, so they can look nice, they won't look ugly, and they can stick on good. Now we're going to go in with a nail file and file the top layer or the surface of our nail. This is also a very crucial step because if you do not file your nail, the glue is not going to have anything to adhere on and it's going to fall off fast. So if you want your nails to last a long time, up to 2 weeks, you want to make sure you remember to do this step. File them as much as you can, and after you're done filing them, you want to go in and wash them. Now we're going to measure the press-on to see if it goes good with the nail. We're going to get our nail glue and we're going to start applying an even layer throughout the whole nail. Then we're going to get the press-on nail. We're going to push it on top for a few seconds until the glue sets. Then after that, you're going to let go and you're going to repeat that step for the rest of the nails. It is kind of tricky sometimes to get the nail to pop on, but once you do and you get it to pop on right, then you're just going to press down so the glue can dry, and then you can move on to the rest of the nails. Another thing you can do is apply the nail glue directly to the nail and then press it down to your natural nail. But I tried doing that and it was just a big mess. So I thought this method was better, but you could see what method works best for you and try that at home. So that's what I'm doing for all my nails. Applying a layer, and you don't want to apply too much because if you do apply too much, this is like really heavy duty glue that's kind of hard to get off. So you just want to apply enough but not too much. That's also important. So we're just going to go and apply it on that pinky, and you guys are going to see how it's going to look. So they are all done. Look at how cute they look. Only the length was a little too long for me, so I'm going to clip them a little just to have a little shorter length. I ordered medium length, but they were a little too long. I didn't want to order short because I don't like short nails, but I don't like super long nails either. So we're just clipping them. And you can always mention to the person you order the nails from what length you want and everything. And the shape. I really like this shape. It's so cute. And now, so everything can look nice and even and flatten out, we're going to file the bottom with a nail file. And this is also optional, but I feel like it makes the shape look better. They look really nice. So that's what I'm doing throughout the whole nail, just going down with the nail file and filing it, making everything look nice and even. And I'm just going to run the file through every single one of my nails. This is not the hard part. I feel like the hard part is getting them on. So filing is super easy. Like I said, if you guys want to find a way that is cost efficient to get your nails done, and I hate going to the nail shop because every time I go they do not do my nails right. So I just thought that this is better. Also, you don't damage your nails. So try this out, girls, and let me know how it works out. Thank you, and please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.